Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Pedagogic Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月啊，我们很多时候都会介绍花莲呢，
真的吗？
知道吗？花莲真的很漂亮，
还有好吃的美食啊
Especially, the mochi over in Hualien is so famous. And today, since we're talking about the topic, be careful, 小心。声音 I thought we use eating mochi as an example of teaching this phrase and how to use it. For instance, when you're eating something, you don't want to choke on it, all right? I mean, it could be very delicious. 有时候东西很好吃，你就会大口大口的吃，小心噎到了。
对，因为黏黏的。
对 ，OK. So let's put you in this scenario. Hey, 来，请你吃花莲的麻糬麻薯。
呛五丝。
呛五丝。
法脸雞，
法臉雞，
起白，
起白，
醬五絲法臉雞起白。
我記得我才剛一起教這個客家風情的時候，就學到了起白就是麻糬嘛，
而且要吃軟的，如果硬邦邦就不好吃。
very tasty mochi from 花蓮。Okay, I want to treat you to some 花蓮 mochi, and then of course the person will say, "Oh, thank you, 我要吃咯 I'm going to eat it now."
按字say，
按字say，
我愛吃咯，
我愛吃咯。
按字say，我愛吃咯。
謝謝，我要吃咯。Thank you, I'm gonna eat it now. And then, of course, you gotta remind the person, even though it's delicious, 太大口了，要小心別噎到。
踢太厚了啦，
踢太厚了啦。
愛生意，
愛生意，
唔好講多哦，
唔好講多哦。
踢太厚了啦，
太大口了，是不是？
就是太大口了。
That means that's too big of a bite. Be careful, 愛生意，然後不要噎到。
唔好講多哦，
唔好講多哦。OK, 講多就是噎到了。that means choking. All right, so be careful when you eat anything, but especially the mochi, all right? Let's review some of these phrases, such as the delicious mochi, mochi,
起白，
起白, and then 大口，我们刚刚说是
太厚，
太厚 okay, that means a big bite. You should use small bites. 如果是小口怎么说呢？
細厚，
細厚，
太嘛就是大，
对，
細就是
that means
小。
small. Okay, Alice 有一个細厚，你有一个小口。
没事，你大
樱桃小嘴。好，那最后还要再教大家怎么说噎到了。
杠豆，
杠豆 okay, that means choking on something, all right? And it's all about this phrase this month called be careful, 小心。声音 all right? And enjoy your food. Again, be careful when you eat it. And that does it for today's Pedagogic Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.